We've seen GBP JPY pushing up, right? Whenever we saw a wick flicked to the upside, we saw a little retracement, little wick, little retracement. When I saw this wick, now not only is it a wick, it's also respecting the 200 resistance level. We can also see we have respected this resistance level as well. It shows us that buyers tried to push all the way into 201.334, but we closed back below 200.685, right? So buyers lost their strength. Now when I saw this, I went down to the 4-hour time frame and I saw the 4-hour had a bearish variation where we closed below the previous wick. Now this was quite a solid sell move back below this level, and I said to myself, look, if we break back above this zone and maintain above it, I will continue my bullish perspective and buy. However, if we maintain below it, I will sell. As you can see, it didn't quite get to my zone, so there was no trade. Was I slightly disappointed? Yes, because I saw it as a nice clean setup. Did it come to my level? Am I thinking that the world's over? No, new opportunities will come. That's how the market works. Opportunities come and go, and the market does not always move as you expect. As you know, the market is random. Patterns repeat themselves, but in different ways, right? So you can't get glued to, the market's behaviors in the past all the time. You just need to keep a flow in and out of the market perspective, right? As you can see, I saw this bearish engulfing and I said, you know what, if we maintain below this level, we could push down. And what actually happened was, I was like, cool, if we maintain below this high right here, I can maybe get in a little break and a retest of this level right here. My zone wasn't quite there, right? I said to myself, yeah, look, if we break down like we did, but the thing was, I just could not get in, right? We had this little doji, if a bit more aggressive. I was above this zone, so I didn't want to sell yet. I wanted a closure back below, some sort of, engulfing or bearish variation for sales. But as you can see, price just got away. The risk to reward doesn't make sense, and we melted down. And now I'm going to be looking for sales around here, which I will come on to in my next video for next week. But yeah, this is quite a long video, but that was the full breakdown. I'm going to actually keep this to GBP JPY, and I'm going to make the next ones about S&P 500.